Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to adjust accounting settings within Field Central. In this process, we will identify how certain options relate to invoices when they were sent to billing and transferred to QuickBooks. Knowing how to adjust your accounting settings is key to ensuring you are able to bill for services accordingly and manage your business as desired. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the Settings page either via the main menu or the Quick Access panel. Select the Accounting option. Then click Edit in the top right corner. Within Edit mode, you are now able to make the appropriate adjustments. Accounting options. Select QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. Billing increments by minute. Default is 15 minutes. Payment terms in days. Establishes how long the customer has to pay their invoice before it is past due. Prepayment type. Liability accounts use sales receipts to track prepayments, where $0 line items send the prepaid item to QuickBooks with a rate of $0. Invoice materials as a single line allows you to group all material as one line item on the invoice. The Notes section allows you to establish if visit notes and field remarks will be visible when billing and/or on the customer invoice. If using monthly contracts, you are also able to establish a default line item name and description under monthly contract settings. You can also adjust this information directly on the contract. Once satisfied, click Done to save the accounting settings. Ready to give it a go? Taking a moment to adjust your accounting settings could save you time and headaches in the long run, and it's easy to do.